SLIPFENCE Wood Gate Latch installation for a regular in-swing gate. On the inside of your gate, measure approximately 52 inches up from the bottom of the gate and make a pencil mark on the vertical latch side 2x4 of your gate frame. Position the bottom of the gate latch assembly on the pencil mark with the straight lever pointing toward the gate opening and the bent end of the lever toward the hinge side of the gate, and with the latch assembly centered on the 2x4 gate frame. Drill one wood screw, C, through the top screw hole closest to the gate opening, but not too tight. Make sure the latch assembly is level, and mark the oval hole in the latch assembly onto the wood of the gate, and then rotate the latch downward out of the way of the oval hole marking. With a 1/2-inch wood drill bit, drill 3 holes through the gate frame, one at the top of the oval marking, one at the bottom of the oval marking, and then one in the middle. Then, either with a jigsaw, chisel, or by working the drill bit up and down, cut out the remaining wood between the holes until there is one oval hole in the gate like the one on the latch assembly. Rotate the gate latch assembly back up so the oval hole in the latch meets the oval hole drilled in the wood gate frame. Then, install a second wood screw on the bottom opposite end of the gate latch assembly. Close the gate toward the post, making sure that the latch lever is at the bottom of its movable range, and position the strike plate so the latch lever is also sitting on the bottom of the strike catch and approximately a 1/2 inch from the tall inside edge of the strike plate. Then, make 2 pencil marks through the center of the 2 oval screw holes on the strike plate onto the gate post. Using a 3/4 inch self-drilling Tech screw, A, screw only the top screw through the top oval hole of the strike plate and into the gate post. Then, open and close the gate to make sure that the latch assembly lever catches the strike plate and falls into position easily. If not, then adjust the strike plate up or down by loosening the screw on the post and then adjusting the strike plate. Once it strikes freely, screw in the second self-drilling screw, A, through the oval hole and into the gate post, and the remaining 2 wood screws, C, into the latch assembly. Take the thumb lever and insert it sideways into the top handle hole, all the way to the end until it stops, and then turn the thumb pad upright to lock the lever into the handle. On the opposite side of the gate to the latch assembly, insert the long thumb lever through the oval hole in the gate, guiding the thumb lever underneath the latch lever until the handle is flush against the front of the gate. Holding the gate handle flush against the front of the gate, and while pressing the thumb lever numerous times, slide the handle up and down on the front of the gate until you find the perfect position for the handle, where the thumb lever moves most freely and unlatches the gate easily. Then using the wood screws, B, fasten the handle to the gate through the top and bottom screw holes in the gate handle. To lock the gate, press the latch lever in toward the gate and slide the lever until it catches on the second notch of the lever, then release. A padlock can be inserted through the circular hole in the latch lever if desired. SLIPFENCE, made to last.
Don't build something that ain't worth nothing 20 years down.